going to look at using backgrounds as to show the user different levels. So we need the control block, the if, then block. That's the if, then with a hexagonal shape in between the if and the then. That hexagonal shape is going to be used for a green operator block, the AND block. We're then going to look for another green block, the greater than block. If score is greater than 50 and we'll choose a less than block, then change the backdrop. Less than what? What would the scoring be for the second level? If score is greater than 50 and less than 100, then that's the level 2. See how it reads now? If score is greater than 50 and score is less than 100, then change the backdrop to castle. And that way the player will know that they've reached level 2. So you can see the sprite is trying to catch the apple and scores every time it catches the apple. And when it reaches 50, that means it's reached level 2.